Good morning, friends. Uh, Myself, Punjab Singh from Patna, and especially I'm going to give this presentation uh, for my friends of the South India. I've got a lot of feedback from the my South Indian friends, and they have told me, sir, we would like to listen on effective communication, topic effective communication, and they have told me, sir, it will be better for us if you give this program this topic in English language. So dear friends, although I'm not an English graduate or I've gone through English most of the time, I used to speak in Hindi, and my Hindi is my mother tongue, my mother language. But okay, I will try to give this presentation for my South Indian friends, especially in English. I think if you get some problem, I apologize. First of all, I apologize that whether my English will be effective for you or not, I don't know. But I am trying to give this in. Thank you very much. Dear friends, the most important part for an insurance professional in selling of a policy, that is presentation and effective communication. How I put my things before others, how I deliver my things for others. What's the meaning of presentation? To show something, to say something. Everything comes under the presentation. I put my things, that's my presentation. Dear friends, first of all, I'd like to say you that the products are of the two types. As you are aware, you know, the products are of two types: tangible, intangible. What does mean tangible? Which can be seen, which can be touched, and there is instant gain or use. That everything comes under the tangible. You can find a lot of examples for the tangible products. Whatever you see, that's tangible. Just this is my pen. I see the color, I touch it, and the moment I buy it, the moment I pay money for it, I start writing. That's the use. It's my shirt. I bought the shirt and I wear this. So it does mean that every tangible product can be seen, can be touched, and we can get the instant benefit. You buy a refrigerator, go to home, put the water, that will become the ice. That is the instant. But dear friends, our profession is the product of the second type, intangible. That is totally vice versa. The product which cannot be seen, the product which cannot be touched, and there is no instant gain or use. That's our LIC policy, insurance policy, no doubt. We have to pay money. But when I will get the benefit, what I will have to say to the people? After death or after maturity. That's a long span of the 20 years, and might be 15 years, and might be more. Is it so easy to sell the product which is not giving the instant benefit? Can you imagine how much it is difficult to sell the intangible product? and the person is going to be committed to pay every year for this product. For insurance policy, he has to pay every year. He is going under an agreement that I will pay every year. But my benefit will be after 20 years or 15 years, whatever the period I desire, I choose. Or after my death. This is not so easy. And we will have to ask the more money rather than money more than the tangible product. More than the tangible product with commitment. So dear friends, our profession is not so easy. But I assure you, you believe me, if you know the art of selling, if you know the communication, if your communication is effective, and you know how to put the things, one thing I would like to say you, what do you say? That is not important. How do you say? That is more important. So the way you talk, the way you try to penetrate the things into the mind of the person, you try to penetrate the things into the heart of the person. That is more important, and that's why that is known as communication, effective communication. So to close a sale, to get success in insurance profession, so in my opinion, the role of effective communication is very important. I have to put my things in such a way that he should understand everything clearly. So now I will explain the things about the IQ and EQ. IQ does mean intelligent quotient. What does it mean? Intelligent quotient. Simple word, simply I am telling you, whenever I am talking from my mind, I am talking about the things of the policy, I am talking about the salient features of the policy, I am talking about the term and conditions of the policy. That is always IQ. That is always coming from my mind. That's my product knowledge. To explain the term condition, to someone, that's my IQ. And what is the meaning of EQ? Emotional quotient. Emotional quotient means कि when I try to raise the emotions of the person, when I try to raise the emotions of the person by touching heart, by touching his heart, that is the role of emotional quotient. EQ, that's my EQ. Simply in simple words, I can say when I am talking from heart, that is emotional quotient, and when I am talking from my mind, that is intelligent quotient. So in my opinion, to sell the tangible product, which I can see, which is giving the instant gain, to sell that product, the role of intelligent quotient is 75%. Did you follow me? The role of IQ is 75%. The product is tangible. But the latest marketing says, even if I want to sell the tangible product, I have to put some EQ also. Maybe the role of emotional quotient may be 25%. IQ 75 and EQ 25. But latest marketing strategy says that even to sell the tangible product, we have to put some emotions. Just I am giving you the beautiful example just to see. A 6-year-old girl She is coming on television. You have seen this advertisement I am telling you about the Colgate. The girl guy, 6-year-old girl, she used to come on television and she says, if I say in Hindi, मेरे पापा डॉक्टर हैं, डेंटिस्ट हैं. माई फादर इज डेंटिस्ट. मैं कॉलगेट इस्तेमाल करती हूं. आई यूज कॉलगेट. इससे दांतों में चमक आती है. द टीथ आर शाइनिंग. दांतों में कैविटी नहीं होती है. देयर इज नो कैविटी इन टूथ. I use Colgate. She comes for a few moments and she goes. One thing I would like to ask you. What is the need of the girl? Why the company has spending a lot of money for advertisement of the Colgate? Whether the quality will change? But this is 25%. When a father is going to market and he buys a paste, he is coming with, suppose that he is coming with any other paste. She comes, the father comes in house and is putting any other paste. The girl child says, Papa, you don't know? I want to use Colgate. Have you not seen on television? Colgate is always preventing the cavity. The teeth are shining from the Colgate. Papa, please bring Colgate for me. And the father is compelled to buy the Colgate because the girl child in house, she is telling about to buy the Colgate. So the role of emotions in 25%, emotional quotient. So the selling is completed, 75% is the quality of Colgate and 25% is the emotional value in selling the Colgate, and the selling becomes 100%. But at the other hand, I am telling you, whenever we are going to sell the intangible product, that's our insurance policy, the role of IQ is 25%. It's my opinion. I don't know whether how much I'm correct. But I think the role of IQ is 25% and the role of EQ is 75%. This is the vice versa. Intangible, we have seen the IQ 75 and EQ 25. For intangible, IQ only 25 or emotional, EQ is 75. So whenever I am selling the intangible product, I am talking about the salient features of the product, term and conditions of the policy. Everything comes under IQ. And the role of selling in this product, intangible insurance policy, that is only 25%. Then what is missing? Why the policy is not being sold? Why? Why the people are not attractive towards the policy? Why the selling profile is low? Because the role of emotional quotient, which was needed to be 75%, that is lacking. I could not raise the emotions in the heart of the person. Then how to raise? How we can raise the emotions? How? So now the question arises, how we can put the emotional value into the heart of the person. And for this, I am telling you very frankly, the role of emotions, the role of talking emotionally, that is very important. The how we can say, how we can raise the emotions, we have to make a picture, visualize the picture about the future. future dreams about his children, how they are growing in future, and and he will be needed the money for their education, for the marriage of the daughter. The daughter is only of 2 years today. But we have to visualize. We have to make an image that she is going to be 20 years of age. So the way of talking is so humble. The way of talking should be so humble, so emotional, that the person who is sitting before me, who is going to buy a policy, I am going to sell him a policy, he must visualize the future picture. What is going to be happen after 20 years. And the moment I am successful at making a picture of the future, he is looking at the picture. He is looking at the future. What will happen when I will old and I will not get the salary? What will be happen about my old age? I will be needed the money, but I am not getting the salary. I am a retired person. If I don't have the money with me, what will happen? I have to go to my children for asking some money, just like a baker. Whether it will be suitable for me? Not at all. So what I have to do? I have to put some money for my future. I have to make money for my old days. I should not be dependent on anyone. Every time of age, my hand should be like this, not this. That is the satisfaction of the life. And the role of the agent is to put the things in such a beautiful way, to raising the emotions in his heart about the future need, so that he will be ready to buy the policy. So dear friends, this is absolutely fact. If I want to sell the intangible product, if I want to sell the insurance policy, I will have to raise the emotions. I will have to raise the emotions in the heart of the person. I will have to show the picture of the future. The role of emotional quotient is 75%. But I am very sorry to say, we are not able to raise the emotions. We are very much able to say about the salient features of the policy. We are very much competent to put the conditions, the term and conditions of the policy. We are very much competent because we have gone through the product. We have acquired the product knowledge. We have acquired the product knowledge and we are a master of the product. But this mastery is not enough to sell a policy. We have to think over the raising the emotion into the heart of the person, because the role of emotions is 75%. I never said that we should not know the product. Without knowing the product, we can sell any product. No, this is very difficult. We have to know. We must have the knowledge of the product. But side by side, the knowledge of product, if it is very much essential, the role of emotions is more important in closing the sale. The sale becomes very easier if we are able to put the emotions into the heart of the person. So that's why, my dear friends, if you want to sell the intangible product, we have to give the emphasis, more emphasis on raising the emotions. Now the question arises how we can raise the emotions. The first of all, I would like to say that that is called effective communication. My communication should be effective. And how I can make my communication effective? The prime role in making the communication effective is the prime role is of my voice. voice. My voice must have certain qualities. So what's the first quality of the voice? My voice should be clear. What I say, that should be very clear, so that the person should listen very clearly. What did I say? If he is asking, what did you say? I couldn't follow. What did you say? It does mean that my communication is not smooth. We have not to say in a way that so hurry like Rajdhani or like the Shatabdi train. No. Or sometimes like the passenger train. No. That should be moderate, the way of talking. My voice should be clear. Smoothly should run. Smooth running. And the second quality of the voice should be that is very much humble. Very much sweet. So sweetness and humbleness of the voice, humble voice, sweet voice. And above all, I would like to say, voice modulation. What does it mean? Modulation. Like the waves are coming. When I am talking, the waves are coming. Just for example, I say, where are you going, my son? Just I am talking to my son. Where are you going, my son? In second way, where are you going, my son? Is there any change? Definitely there is change. The voice is moduled, the voice is clear, and the voice is very much moduled. So the modulation of the voice is very important in making the communication effective. There are more certain qualities also. After voice, I would like to say, my words, what I am saying, my words should be like my body language. The meaning of the words and my body language should be similar. I am talking, my thoughts are like high like the sky and my putting my finger on the earth. I am talking about the sky and putting my finger on the earth. Is it effective? No, whenever I have to talk about the sky, I will have to raise my finger, not downward. So similarity in my words and similarity in my body language. And one thing, when I am communicating to someone, there should be eye contact. I have to put my eyes. Not talking like this. Someone is asking how much I will get from maturity, and I am saying, I say, no, this is not the way. I have to put my eyes in his eyes. Sir, you will get certain amount after maturity, I am telling you. My voice should be full of confidence. My communication should be full of confidence, and the putting the eye into the eyes, that is a sign of confidence. If there is no eye contact, it does mean that you are not confident that what you are telling, what you are saying to the person, even you are not confident of the saying what I am saying. So if you are full of confidence, that is with the eye contact. I have to put my eyes, my facial expression, that should be like a filmy actor. My body language, that should be very much effective. So in this context, I would like to, this is a very big topic I am telling you, but in very short I have tried to explain the things before you for selling, for closing a sale, the role of effective communication, what it is. I have tried to put my things into the English. I don't know whether you will be happy or you have understood or not, that I don't know. But I have tried my level best. This is my, I think, I can't say more about myself, but this is my try to say in English language, and if it is okay, then I will get feedback from you. If you will give me the feedback, and for the different topics, if would you like to listen for more topics in English language, so I assure you, I will be glad to put my things in English language also. But that is totally depending upon your feedback. So thank you very much. I think I tried to say something. I tried to put something before you. Thank you very much. Good day.